boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me today. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much. My friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. My friends, I'm an author. I write books. I do deep research. And we find out what's going on with these companies. We're boots on the ground. We go out, and day like today, we were at a facility earlier, went to a basketball game, and now I'm reporting back to you again because there was some unusual activity late today with some of our uranium stocks. And you know things are supposed to be jumping off here any day now, any minute. I want to tell you about it in a second. Also, Kushco. Holdings. We were talking about Kushco yesterday, applying for the NASDAQ, and this was something that, if you looked at the video, something that we called earlier this year, last year, whenever we put the video out and said that they were going to be close to applying soon. Well, that day has come. Well, they had net revenues year over year. They were up 221%. So they did really well. 41.5 million, which is just behind TrueLeaf, which 44.5. So they're one of the top companies in America. Once they go on the NASDAQ and that institution money starts flowing their way, they're going to be okay. I see no problem with Kushco. I see them as a safe holding, and there's something that you could really sink your teeth into and have as a stable inside your portfolio. If that's what you and your money manager or your financial advisor decide to do, then that's what you do, my friends. As you know, my books, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. Also, this is where I IPR, my friends. When I was a teenager, $19 or so, 17, 18, 19. It was in the book. All you had to do was get your copy, my friends. You have an unfair advantage. Kushco, also, we've been following this stock ever since it was a dollar or so for a long time. But the unusual activity, my friends, late today, I want to tell you about marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies you can get in, grow, and get in, hold, and grow rich with. My friends, the reason I'm telling you about this is because Donald Trump is going to be signing 232 here pretty soon. We believe so. And let me tell you how this thing goes. Today, late today, the uranium stocks that we focus, this is a mini book. It's a mini book. I want you to have the information in your hand, my friends. The stocks that we focused on, those particular stocks, today, just about an hour before the close of bell, 52, one even went to its 52-week high. Another of those stocks went over its 200-day moving average. In fact, a couple of them have closed right above their 200-day moving averages. Closed above their 50 and 200-day, all like in the same day. Volume was very, very heavy. I like that price action when they close above their 50 and 200-day moving averages. All of them went from 3 to 9% up today. Now this happened in the last hour of trading. Now, let me kind of tell you how this thing goes a little bit more in depth. My friends, they have these meetings in Washington, and when the meeting is over, about 3 or 4 or so, they can make phone calls and you know, after lunch, and they get things set up and stuff. I don't want to accuse anyone of insider information and calling people and family members and all that kind of stuff and getting them set up and all that. Get this today or tomorrow, or it's gonna be positive. So these stocks are. We've zeroed in on those stocks. So what they can do that people may think is not legal, it is fairly legal. It's just a couple years ago that they insider trading. They said it was that in Washington, congressmen and senators, that's the norm, my friends. That's not the exception. That's normal. Come on, they make the rules. They set the rules. That's a normal thing. But what happened is you had all these stocks, the ones that there's just a handful. Those stocks, boom, 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 on heavy volume, my friends. I looked at it. I looked through. Oh, wow. Zip. Parabolic SARS. Zip. RSI's over. Zip. They did so well on one single day that it throws off the thing for the week. So I don't know what happened. I'm not accusing anybody of anything, of making any phone calls, of getting an early jump on this thing or not. But that's what happened today. So take it for what it's worth. Make sure you get your copy so you know exactly what's going on in those stocks that we keyed on. Please don't post them up there in a day or two and say, Mickey D, I'm up 75, I'm up 300, I'm up 1,000% or something. Because I will take them right down. Because the object is for us to get in early. It's just like, Aurora at 38 cents. Just like Canopy under $3. That's what we do. We get in super, super early. But I don't want some congressmen and senators out there stealing our fire. Because we know what's going on. And if they're making phone calls, we'll check it out. We'll see if they gap up tomorrow. If there's heavy volume and things are moving, we'll know they had the inside edge on this. Especially if it comes back positive here. If we have some information on Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even any day now. So we'll know exactly what transpired here. But I want you to be on top of this, and we've been waiting for a while. So we don't want our stocks to, you're up 30, 40, 50, 60, 70%. You should be up 1,000% on these things. So let's just take it one step at a time. That's just my information, my ears to your ears, my friends. There was unusual action late in the day today. And today, if you're looking at this, today is the 9th. And we're just waiting for the president to do something. So we'll keep an eye on the 10th, 11th. We'll see. Better early than late in this business, my friends. But with that said, you have a great day and have a great evening. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We like your likes. Give me a thumbs up. We're going to be on it, my friends. And if I have to fly to Washington, I will, to find out exactly what's going on here. Love you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.